What up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video. Hey, I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Hey, your boy a little tired. We did the polar ride on yesterday. As you can see how dirty Kong is. This is ridiculous, man. Hey, I did something that I said I probably would never do, was pull out while it was raining. But it wasn't raining hard. It was a little misty, but hey, the rain stopped. But I wanted to come over here with my bike dirty like this to show you what Hardwork sent me right here. It's a matte finish quick detail cleaner right here. They also have it for your polished bikes too. So make sure you go check out Hardwork's website and get this right here for your bike. So when you out of town, you just can't find a car wash somewhere quick to get your bike done, you can do it yourself just with this and a towel. I always keep something like this in my bag with a towel. Always. I don't leave home without it. But yesterday, it was no need of doing that with, knowing that I'm coming home. But that's when I'm out of town. But another product I'm coming on here with as well from Hardwork, my Big Rob. I appreciate you taking care of me. These are the clamps that's gonna go on my tool pack to lock my tool pack down on my dock station. Hey man, the riding season is here. Everybody ain't loyal, ain't truthful. Hey, I'm just being honest. Hey, I got a lock on everything on this bike. So make it harder for a thief to steal your product or your stuff off your bike with this right here. They gonna have heck trying to get this off. Let me show it to you. Man. Boy, I'm excited about these. I've been wanting to get this for a minute. It comes in here, with the instructions. It's very easy to put on too. You got a Hardwork sticker as well. And you got 2 sets of keys right here. Nice keys, man. These are some great keys. Some of them keys I get, they be small. And here's the product right here. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna show you one of them. This is it here. You got the end right here where you can, where you unlock it. You already got all the bolts and stuff. Make sure you use blue Loctite. I'm not gonna show you how to put it on. It's very easy, man. You got this one screw. Make sure you put it on there right, because you got to kind of line it up with your docking hardware or it's not going to slide on easy. But make it harder for someone to get you. I hate to say that, hate to even put that on my show, but I've been hearing about people getting bikes stolen, getting their seats stolen. Hey man, we work too hard for this stuff right here. And I work too hard to get where I am too. And I still don't want nobody stealing my bike at all. Even though I got full cover insurance, you don't want to walk out and your bike is gone. That's with your car, truck, all your personal stuff. You don't want nobody breaking in your house. So you do the best thing to secure everything that you got. So we're gonna put this on today on my tool pack. Like I say, it's gonna be a quick installation on it. I just want to show it to you so you can go check out Hardworks. I think they run like $79.99 plus tax and probably shipping and handling. I don't have a code. I'm just letting y'all know that I don't have a discount code yet. I did talk to Rob about that. Hopefully something happened that I get a discount code, because I love Hardwork's products and I love what they do. So great product. Man, this quality is great, dude. Everything that I got from Hardwork, from the saddlebags, the liners, the quality from Hardwork is awesome. So, but yeah, we're gonna get these put on, but I wanted to come over here and show y'all this. I'm finna try to wash and see what it's gonna do. And the first time using it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good, because they wouldn't put it out like that. So I'm gonna move the camera closer and we're gonna show you the tank and we're gonna kind of wash it, okay? Let's get to it. So as you can see, the tank is dirty. It's real dirty, everything dirty. So we're gonna spray this on. Let me put it on one let's see what we're working with here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is without a wash. And I usually kind of detail my bike a little bit. Oh man, that looks good. Oh man, it left like a little shine on there too. But look at that. That looks good. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna get this bike washed, man. And oh yeah, Hardworks, I appreciate you. Look at how it's just drying up right there. It's leaving no streaks at all. That is on point, y'all. that is on point. So with that being said, you see what this puppy can do. So check it out on Hardworks, y'all, on hardworks.com, and get you a bottle of the quick detail wash for your matte finish or your gloss paint. They got both of them on there. So man, that's gonna be it for today. I appreciate Hardworks as always. Till next time, to the next grind. Y'all already know I love y'all. Peace. Y'all have a blessed one. Stay safe out there on them tubes. Hey, I got something big coming up on the bike, so stay tuned, because the 2-in-2 system is going away. The 2-in-2 is going away. Y'all put down in the comments, what do you think I have? I'm going 2-in-1. It's on the way. It's been ordered. Let me know what y'all think, or which one I'm getting. Just let me know. Put it down in the comment, and let me know which one you rocking. You rocking the 2-in-2, the 2-in-1 and the 2, or you rocking the 2-in-1? I mean, the 2-in-2. I got that messed up. But hey, man, it's all good though. But y'all, till next time, this system will be getting sold. Hey, if you're interested in it, man, just hit me, kellybgliding@gmail.com, or you can hit me on my IG at kellybgliding, or you can hit me, no, I ain't gonna do my Facebook, but those two platforms right there, you can hit me on, and we'll talk. We're gonna get these babies sold. They in good condition. I think February of next month, it'll be a year that I had this system on the bike, because I got it right before Daytona last year. But that's what's gonna be going on, man. So Daytona 2024, hey man, right now we coming. We on the way, baby. Till next time, baby. The next grind. Y'all stay safe. I'm out. Peace.